Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Do you ever feel like doing a project? I sure do. You can pick up any project, like a 30-day project, which means you pick a theme or a topic that you base your drawings on for 30 days in a row. That's a great way to build a habit or to create a series of, say, animal drawings or fun characters. But that might be a bit overwhelming. Then why not pick up a mini project? Something you can do in about 30 minutes or maybe even less. You can do it outside of your sketchbook, a fun side project. No pressure to make anything beautiful. Let's just keep it small, tiny even. Let's make a mini sketchbook and fill it right away. You can use any kind of paper. This is simple printing paper. Fold and cut it in half lengthways and then do it again. You can use a cutting board, an X-Acto knife or scissors, but it doesn't need to be super neat, so why not just tear it? Then fold it in half and again and one more time. Now fold it out again and fold it to become an accordion. There's your mini sketchbook. You can make 4 of these with your one printing paper. Let's draw. Whenever I don't know what else to draw, I default to food and drinks. I think it's always fun. So I will use this mini sketchbook to record everything I ate and drank today. That will give me a fun variety in color and shape to work with. This is a great way to just play, to just do, to have some fun and make something. A great remedy if you're in a bit of a creative rut. Go make something. And if you need more inspiration, then check out our courses and workshops at sketchbookschool.com and maybe I'll see you in class.